Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, so from the last 4 paintings, we're going to take all the leftover mixed up paint and we're just going to throw it all into one cup and we're going to keep our fingers crossed and see what happens. So, like I was telling Ella, this is either going to be super cool or it's going to be super ugly. And if it's super ugly, you guys probably won't see it anyway, because I'll probably get discouraged and won't even post it. But we'll see. I'm hoping it's going to be interesting and cool. So we're just going to mix all the colors together. So if you want to know what colors we're using, it's the what is it, 8 colors plus white. I'm not going to use the black. The black sort of turns everything kind of muddy anyway. So 8 colors plus white. And if you want to see what the mixtures are, look at 2 videos ago and 4 videos ago. Okay, so we're going to start with, I don't know, we'll start with some white. And like I said, this is just all the leftovers. We're just going to pour it all into one big cup. It all has silicone in it. I don't usually use leftover paint that has silicone in it. I just don't like the way it performs. I may leave the rest of that silver out. I forgot about it being kind of lumpy. Whoops. And I'm really not sure I want to pick out more lumps out of these paintings. Getting kind of tired of it. Hopefully we're going to have enough paint. Oh yeah, this should be plenty of paint. Definitely a weird mix of colors. But you know, I always say use all your leftover colors even if you're afraid it's going to be super ugly, because sometimes you do get some really awesome paintings. Alright, now hopefully we'll be able to go around with these colors at least one more time. Alright, that's the end of the white. I'll put that out of the way. Let's go with some red next. And we'll do some purple. And we'll go across to here. Let's do some of this weird green here. Oh, that's it for that one. And some yellow. And that is it for that. Some of this teal. Then some of this, let's do the gold next. Rest of that gold in there. Okay, that's it for the gold. Do the rest of this blue. That's it for that. Some more red. That's it for that. Let's go with the rest of this purple real quick. There we go. And the rest of this teal. There we go. Okay, let's see what kind of ugly we can come up with. I'm gonna throw these cups away because I have both wet paintings from the last 2 videos still sitting here on the table, and I don't want to damage those by dropping a cup into them. Okay, we'll sit here, just kind of let it sink for a second. Alright, that's good enough. I have no patience left. Woo! let's get our palette knife here. Scrape that out. Get the corners. Make the corners happy. This corner over here. Let's get that corner. That one already had a good bit on it, so it's pretty happy. Alright, that's good. Big, lots of blobby mess on the corners. We got two little pretty cells right there. Oh, sorry guys. See you in the next life. Okay, good enough. Let's set everything down before I drop it in a painting. Paint all over my glue. So let's wipe that off real quick. And torch this baby. Alright, lots and lots and lots of teeny tiny cells. But they'll grow. We got a lot of those teeny tiny cells because I had leftover paint from, what, 3 and 4 paintings ago. I poured the rest in these bottles. That way I could just, cap it off and shake it up when I wanted to use it again. That's what causes these teeny tiny cells. If you have to mix in your silicone too much. So when you're using leftover paint that's got silicone in it, it causes these teeny tiny cells. That's why I don't like using leftover paint with silicone in it, because the cells are too small for my liking. But having said that, we've got a lot of pretty going on. Even just this, if we could leave it like that, it's actually quite pretty. But I'm just kind of letting it sit, letting the cells grow a little bit before we stretch it out. We've got time. But we've got some really pretty cells. They all have little multicolored lines around them. It's quite pretty, actually. Alright, so let's get a corner catcher. And my hands are so sticky from this paint. This paint just dries so fast. But you can see, if you just, go from when we first torched it and the little cells came up, and fast forward through to now, it's only been, what, a minute, and our cells have grown. They're like 3 times as big as they were. So, alright, which corner are we going to do first? I think we're going to go off of this corner. I like this corner over here too. I love this sort of stripe through there. It's beautiful. Well, I think we'll go off of this corner first. I think. I wish my corner catchers were a little longer. I don't want to lose too much of that. So we'll just go slow. Oh, I'm losing so much of that turquoise stuff all over there already. There we go. Ooh, these over here, like right along this line that we're going to lose, are so pretty. I gotta get rid of that corner, that top corner. It's bothering me. Oh, we just lost a lot of stuff. Okay. Let's go off this corner. There we go. And back. Remember to drag your corner catcher down and away so that you can make pretty edges. Okay. That edge right there is gorgeous, and this edge right here is gorgeous. Ooh, that's so hard to decide which side to go off of. Oh, that's a tough one. I don't know. I love this edge right here. It's so pretty. That is a tough one, people. Really tough. I think we're going to go off this edge. Okay, there we go. We've lost most of that gorgeous stuff over there, unfortunately. Alright, let's get this corner going. Trying to save some of that, but oh, I got just saved the last little teeny tiny corner. Now we have a lot on this canvas. We need to pour some off. So we have to decide where do we want to pour it off from. And I think it's going to come off of this side over here, unfortunately. Maybe a little bit off of that edge right there. There we go. And then I'll bring it back and a little bit off that other edge. I hate to do that, unfortunately, because it's a nice sort of juxtaposition of dark and light. Okay, I can't pour any more off. I don't want to. Well, this is an interesting little painting, I think. I think we still need to get rid of a little bit, so we're going to go back the other way. I never ever do this. But we have so much paint on there, we got to get rid of some of it. Okay, well, let's go back. Okay, well, that's it. That's it for that little painting. Well, it's actually not too bad. I like it. It has so much going on with it. It's hard not to like this little painting. Let's do some torching really quick. Make sure we're not going to have anything come up over here and come up over there. There we go. Alright, that one is done. There was so much pretty going on with this painting, but unfortunately my favorite pretty parts were on the edges. And we always, unfortunately, lose a bit of that. Oh, look at those. Lots and lots of pretty cells. Interesting little cluster of cells down there. And as you can see, now if you torch that edge, you probably get some cells on it, but I don't torch my edges anymore. I haven't done that in a really long time. I don't know, I just don't do it. I kind of like them where they're just stripy. That's a pretty corner. Let's go up to that other corner and see if there's anything exciting. That's pretty. It looks like a little creature right there. It's a pretty corner too. Alright guys, there's your pretty for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This is what happens when you mix lots of leftover paint. You don't know what you're going to get, and sometimes it turns out super, super ugly. But sometimes it turns out pretty cool, and I really like this one. It's just interesting to me. So I hope you guys like it too. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I really am enjoying mixing these Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints with the Artist Loft tube paints. Unfortunately, I don't have any Artist Loft pouring paint left, so we'll have to think up a new experiment for next time, or you know, sometime in the future with whatever I've got left around here. So yeah, I hope wherever you're on the planet, you're taking care of each other, you're happy, you're healthy, you're staying safe, wearing your mask in public, washing your hands lots and lots and lots, taking care of all those babies out there, and keeping your pets happy in this extreme miserable heat and humidity. At least here in Georgia and the southern states, and I believe even in the northern states it's pretty bad. So wherever you are, I hope you're staying cool and you're happy and healthy. And thank you for supporting my channel. I love you all. See you later. Bye.